Welcome to Outgrow. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to build topic clusters that signal topical authority to Google and AI algorithms, a proven strategy for earning search rankings and AI-generated answers across any industry. Log into your Outgrow account and start building your topical authority cluster. First, create your hub asset, the cornerstone of your cluster. Select Quiz. Why a quiz? It's linkable, shareable, and generates multiple landing pages within Outgrow, making it ideal for authority building. Name your quiz to match your target topic. For this example, Vehicle Reliability Quiz. Keep your welcome page simple. Explain why users should take the quiz and what value they'll receive. Build branching questions that help users identify solutions based on their needs. Each question should reflect your topical focus. Set up outcome pages that link to different solutions or next steps. This creates the foundation for your cluster. Enable lead generation to collect names, phone numbers, or emails. Use this to segment your audience. Publish your hub. Next, build your first spoke a complementary asset that addresses the same topic from a different angle. Select Numerical Calculator. Name it to reflect a related problem. Cost of Car Ownership Calculator. This calculator should ask a related but distinct question in this case. What's my total cost? While your quiz asked, which option is right for me? Configure results to show personalized outputs based on user input. Then add critical crosslinks. In your results, copy the link back to your quiz hub with a copy like unsure which vehicle is best? Take our quiz. Enable social sharing to increase backlinks and credibility. Publish it. You now have 2 interconnected landing pages. The key to triggering Google's topical authority algorithm is internal linking. Ensure every piece links to every other piece. In your quiz results, link to the calculator. In the calculator results, link back to the quiz. This signals to Google. These assets form a coordinated topical cluster. This interlinking is what drives ranking boosts and AI answer inclusion. You can expand this model indefinitely. Add assessments, polls, comparison tools, chatbots, landing pages, and AI agents, each addressing the same topic from a unique angle, each internally linked. Allow 24 to 48 hours for Google to recrawl and index your links. Ranking movement may take time. This is normal. You've now built the foundation of topical authority inside Outgrow. A hub quiz, supporting calculator spokes, and strategic internal linking, all reinforcing a single powerful topic. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and build your first topic cluster today.